is Rahman and Rahim, who is King of the King and Lord of the Lord. Honorable Chief Guest and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to share my views about my favorite personality. Dear friends, every person has a favorite person and he is ideal too. I also have a favorite personality and he is my ideal too. I want to follow him and I try to follow him. The personality I am talking about is our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, for whom the world is created. In a hadith Qudsi, Allah said to Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, O Adam, if I Muhammad would not be created, you also not be created. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was born in Mecca, at the city of Saudi Arabia. His father name was Hazrat Abdullah and his mother name was Bibi Amna. Before his birth, his father passed away. When he became 7 years old, his mother also passed away. When his mother died, he was under the knowledge of supervision of Bibi Halima. Dear friends, now coming to the main topic, that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is my favorite person, because he was brave, honest and holy man. He was favorite person of Allah. He was so much honest that Allah has discussed about his honesty in the Quran. When he became 63 years old, he died. With this, I finish my speech. Thank you so much.